Okay, folks, so we are going to take a little ride. We are headed up to Fredericksburg via 87, which REV'IT says is a great road. And then we're coming back on 1376, which is an okay road, good road, whatever they want to call it. Which goes through Lycan, Texas, and Sisterdale. And you're going to have to do me a favor and remind me to get gas in Fredericksburg, because, well, I have enough gas to get back. Depending on the headwinds, it could be interesting. It is a little chilly. It's in the 50s today. I am wearing my SMX gloves, but I do have the Scorpion jacket on, and we are wearing the Shoei, not the Icon. So we're motovlogging with the Shoei. We'll see how it goes. I'm not sure how I like it. The setup is just a little more janky. So I do want to talk about my experience yesterday morning headed to work in the pouring rain, because some of it worked out great, some of it not so much. Now, the parts that worked out great: the Scorpion jacket worked great. The pants, the REV'IT, I don't even know what they're called, overpants. I'm just not sure what the exact model is. They work great. My Cassini gloves work great on the ride. We're going to talk about the post-ride situation in a second. Let's just say it was not as good. So what parts did I have issues with? Well, first of all, it's not a complaint about the gear, but it's definitely an issue. My boots are not waterproof. my AlpineStars SMX boots are not waterproof. They are vented. They are very porous. They let water right through. Now, the other piece of gear that had similar issues is supposed to be waterproof, and it is in the sense that I didn't get wet, but the gear did. It got soaked. The REV'IT Cassini H2Os have a goat skin palm. That leather got saturated. Whatever treatment they used on is not sufficient to keep it from getting saturated. I rode home with gloves that were damp on, the outside. And I woke up this morning to them still being a little damp on the outside. Well, he's going the other way, so we're good. When I look through at all the other waterproof gloves out there, all the quality ones are built the same way. So I've got to assume they have the same issue. You can tell, very German town. Their welcome sign literally says "Willkommen." I have a feeling I should have taken that turn. Very cool. So we are at a Chevron in Fredericksburg, and I'm literally just going to go in and warm up. Glasses on, closed visor, good. It's we're taking 290 to 1376. I like you, puppies. Yeah, by the way, if you haven't figured out by now, I'm just as bad as Jess from Her Two Wheels about puppies. Bye, puppy. Okay, this is 1376. We're going to be on this all the way back down into Bernie. I mean, come on. It's like something out of a frickin' Ford Western here. Yeah. Where's John Wayne? Is Charles Bronson gonna ride in? There's a Lone Ranger over there, you know, up on the hill watching. Seriously, guys. Horses! He's got his blanket on. I could be here for a bit. Oh no, are we still recording? We are, apparently. Welcome back to Bernie, where I'm going to defrost. Okay, just down some more. That is just fine with me. That will be warmer. Like, no joke, guys, my feet are cold. Did not calculate this correctly. Should have worn my other boots. That was good. Just dropped my keys. Oh my God, guys. Note to self. An hour on the bike in the cold is very different from an hour on the bike in the warm. I'm going to turn you guys off. Go warm up.